welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello, my name is Maggie, and today I will be sharing with you guys my easy 6-step deep cleaning routine. So I do this about every other Sunday because doing it every Sunday seems a little too excessive to me, but it's definitely helped in terms of keeping my room relatively clean throughout the year, as well as making me feel very motivated and productive as the week officially begins on Monday. So whether you're looking to deep clean for the new year or just for a new week, I hope this video helps you. If it does, definitely be sure to leave a thumbs up, and let's just get started. So the first thing you want to do is wash your bed sheets and start laundry, so as you clean the rest of your room, they are being washed. Next, you want to go ahead and tidy up your room, so putting away clothes, getting things back to where they belong, and throwing away any garbage that may be in your room. Now you want to go ahead and gather up your electronics and tech and wipe them down, because these things can get very dirty with fingerprints and whatnot, and I feel like a lot of us neglect cleaning our technologies as we clean our rooms. So this is a reminder to please go clean your phone, your laptop, and whatever electronics that you may have. Now moving on to surfaces, you want to wipe them down, sanitize them, and get rid of any dust that may be collecting on them. by the time you've completed the previous steps, your laundry should be finished. So take this time to change into those fresh sheets because there is nothing better than having fresh sheets. So I'm going to share with you guys a quick hack on how I change my duvet covers. So first you want to have the duvet inside out and then put that on your bed, then put the blanket on top. I don't have those things where you can tie the blanket to the duvet, so I use a small rubber band and it's super helpful. Now that you have your four corners tied down, you want to roll it up into a nice burrito and then turn it inside out. Then all you have to do is roll it out and it's done. And the last thing you want to do is vacuum to collect all the dust that may have fell from your surfaces, as well as any lint that might be on your floor. And that's it! Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked what you see, definitely be sure to give a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of this, definitely hit the subscribe button as well as the bell notifications. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week. Bye!